Welcome to Raffles American School, Malaysia's premium boarding school.
We are thrilled to present a glimpse into our vibrant and nurturing learning community. This series will take you on a journey that showcases the heart and soul of our institution. Raffles is a learning community that empowers students to achieve their academic and life potential.
With unwavering commitment to academic excellence and holistic development, we have become a beacon of innovation in Johor, Malaysia. What truly sets us apart are the people. Our dedicated faculty and staff work tirelessly to support, inspire, and guide our students, igniting a love of learning that goes beyond the classroom walls.
Our students, the lifeblood of Raffles, are at the core of everything we do. We nurture an interactive and engaging learning environment to help them become confident and compassionate global citizens. From state-of-the-art facilities to an array of co-curricular activities, we provide a rich and inclusive educational experience that caters to each student's unique strengths and passions.
But don't just take our word for it. Hear firsthand from our staff, students, parents, and alumni about their extraordinary journeys at Raffles. Their stories are a testament to the transformative power of education within our close-knit community.